In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a web page link to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. This simple addition can make your slides more engaging and give your audience quick access to up-to-date information online, whether that's a data dashboard, a news article, or a support resource. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. If it isn't already running, launch the program, then open the presentation you're working on. You can also start a new presentation if you're building from scratch. Once your file is open, navigate to the specific slide where you want the link to appear. Next, decide what you want to turn into a clickable link. You can attach a link to almost anything on the slide, a word or phrase in a text box, a picture, an icon, or even a shape like a button. Click directly on that item so it becomes selected. If you're linking text, highlight only the words you want clickable. Using a short, descriptive phrase often looks cleaner than pasting the full web address on the slide. With your item selected, go to the top of the PowerPoint window and click the Insert tab. This is where you add elements like images, shapes, and links. In the Insert tab, choose the Link option. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, it may be labeled Link or Hyperlink. A dialog box will open, giving you a place to add the website address. In the Link window, find the field where you can enter the web address. Carefully type or paste the full URL of the page you want to connect to. It's a good idea to include the complete address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, to ensure the link works properly. Take a moment to double-check the spelling and make sure it points exactly where you want. An incorrect URL can lead to the wrong page or a broken link. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, click OK. PowerPoint will save your settings and attach the web page link to the item you selected. You'll typically see the text turn into a hyperlink style, or your object will behave like a button. That's it. Your slide now includes a clickable link that will open the web page during your presentation, adding interactivity and giving your audience access to real-time information right from your deck. Keep in mind that an internet connection is required to load the page when you present. Using web page links is an easy, effective way to enhance your slides with current data, external resources, and additional references. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on new uploads. Thanks for watching.